Hello guys, in this video I bring you some really cool Photoshop text effects. Now these effects can be copied easily into your own projects and customized. So now without further ado, let's get started. First, download the file that I have given in the description. Now open the RAR file and extract the contents into a new folder. Now open up Photoshop. Now in this file, in the RAR file, you have two files here, the PSD file and the action file. We don't need the action file. We only need to open the PSD one. So double click on the PSD file, click on no, and there you have it. We have 12 movie title text effects here, all numbered into folders. So now I will create a new document. Make the background dark and I will enter something. I will change the color of the text and center it. Increase the size. Okay, so now I have my name. Now select the text effect that you want to copy. Let's see. This golden one looks very nice. Let's see which one the golden one is, and it is the number 8 one. So open the 8th folder and you will see you have two layers in there. So first I will right click on the bottom layer and click on copy layer style. Now go to your document and right click on your text layer and click paste layer style. There you have it, the layer style is copied successfully. Now remember there were two layers, so I will copy my original text layer by Ctrl J and it will duplicate automatic. Now I will select the topmost layer and copy layer style and paste it on the topmost layer of my document. There we have it. The text layer has been copied. File has been copied. Now you can play around with the font. As you can see, the font in here is a little bit congested, so I will use a similar one. I will use, let's see, impact, and I will do the same with both the layers. And let's see, there we have it. The text layer has been copied. Now let's try something else. I will make a folder of these two and duplicate the folder by Ctrl J and turn off the bottom folder. No, I don't need to turn off the bottom folder. I'll just move the top group. Now let's copy something else. Let's go with the metal one, which is number 4. I think, yes, it's number 4. Now let's copy the metal. The bottom layer first, copy layer style and open the group and paste it. Now go to the top layer, copy and then paste it. There we have it. Layer has been copied. The layer style has been copied. Now you can play around with your effect now. As you can see, as I keep increasing the size, the layer style is adjusting accordingly. So to manipulate the text effect, all you have to do is double click on the FX icon here and it will open the layer style. So we can see we have the bevel, emboss, stroke, inner shadow and all of this enabled. I'll just turn off the satin and see. Turn off the drop shadow. Without the glow it's looking better, so I'll just keep the outer glow turned off. Now let's try some other effect. This time I will try the metal one, which is number 3. Just copy the bottom layer first, paste it, then copy the top layer effect and paste it. There we have it. 3 different effects done in less than 5 minutes. And I will be providing some more text effects in future as well. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like and drop a comment on which tutorial you want to see next. And also I will be providing all the game tutorials that have been requested in the coming week or maybe this week. We'll see. Thank you guys, and that's it.